Have you seen part 1? If no, then please watch part 1, which is I edited the photo with the Photoshop. Then go and check it out. I have given the link in the description. So without wasting a time, let's get start. Open KineMaster in your phone, select all images, and also I am adding one video shot. Listen the music beats and mark there. Adjust speed with the music beat. Yup. Set all images with the individual marks. That's it. And export it. Let's animate using Storage Z. Select the ripple tool. Then select the last image where you want to animate. Then animate as you want. Let me do. Then export. Now let's jump on the Notes video editor. Fill the resolution correctly. Use this image resolution. Select the video which is we edited with the KineMaster. Render preview and add markers. Then add kunai. Cut the specific part which is you want. Delete the extra part. Then we use the chroma key to green screen. Then render preview and check result. Let me transform the size and match with the markers. Again render the preview. It's come from the center. Let's move the position so it will sync come from the back side. Then adding crows. Adjust with the marks. Cut unwanted part. And sync properly with the music beats. After the done, I am adding animated hairs which is we added with the Storage Z. So let's import this file. I am adding after come crow murders. Anyway, Let's manage the layers as you see. I'm doing until I get this result. Let me organize with the given renames. And it's looking boring part, but we need to see the actual process, otherwise you will confuse. Okay, now I'm importing the green leaf animation. Which has a green background.
You serious?
But let's first cut the part which I want. Let me show you is it work or not. Nope, it is not looking pretty, it is looks scary. But don't worry, let me fix this. Go to the chroma key, then just select the red key color. Then select the green color. Transform the size. And let me manage the layers until I get the result like that. Okay, they have a high intensity of blue value, let them decrease, and also decrease a little bit of green value. Now let me render the preview and check the result. Okay, let me slow the leaf animation using stretch. Do it until it looks good. Now it's look good for me. Let me add ending with my logo. And see the preview. Perfect. Everything is come after one and after one, and also good overlapping. Let's export. Then open Vlog Star, where we are adding just a shake effect or others. You can use your favorite effects. After complete the export, open this file in KineMaster. Adding the Sharingan. Then cutting the only 3 Tomoe Sharingan eye because I want that, as known as third stage. Then listen beats and adjust the layers. Then animate. And let the export. And that's it, my friend, the final version.